Hello everybody, this is Deanna and welcome to my YouTube channel, Dream of Crafts. And today we're going to be doing another AliExpress haul. And this one is just going to be miscellaneous things. I have a couple of Halloween ones that came after my last haul. So we'll be doing just some miscellaneous ones. And to get started, we're going to start out with a die set from Shenzhen Moonlight Store. Shenzhen Moonlight Store. $3.10. It's a 3-piece butterfly set. These are the dies. And let me just zoom in here just a bit for you. There we go. So you've got 3 separate dies here. And a butterfly, detailed butterfly, and then another little butterfly. Let me hold up the cutouts for you. Oh, let me grab a piece of cardstock. There we go. Makes it a little easier. There we go. So let's go ahead and place all 3 of those on there. And as you can see, very nice. And these I cut everything out of scraps. Just to make it quick for me, I just cut them out of scrap pieces. So this corner one here is, oh, sorry if you can hear my husband. He's yelling with the dog. Is about 5 1/4 inches by 3 1/2 inches. This little delicate piece here is about 2 1/2 inches high by 1 5/8 wide. And then this butterfly is about 1 7/8 high by 2 3/4 wide. So that is that set. The next set, let's get this off the side. Whoops, maybe it's slippery. All right. The next set I have here is a little red truck. It is from Hemere Official Store, Hemere Official Store, $1.81, and it's called the Big Truck Frame Die. So this is the die set, and of course I have taken these apart a little bit, and so that's the die. And then this is the truck that is built. Let me get that up here for you so you can see a little better. And I just did the wheel wells with a little bit of black soot on my sponge just to define that just a little bit more. So that's that one. And this truck measures 3 1/4 inches wide by about 1 1/4, no, 1 1/8 high. So not big, but not tiny either. I mean, it was easy to put together. So that is that one. And my next piece here is from Yingping Die Craft or DIY Craft Store. And it's a roll film die. It was $1.51 plus shipping and handling. And this is the die here. And then that's the cutout. I like that really distressed kind of look. So that one measures 4 3/8 wide by about 1 3/4 high. Okay, the next one is from BMTYFM Store, and it's a 4-piece plank. And it was $2.63. This is the die, and I didn't cut them apart because I didn't need to. And you get quite a bit of detail in there. I don't know if you can see it. But embossed detail is pretty good in there, actually. So we'll go ahead and measure these. This longest one is 4¼ by 3/4 of an inch. This one is 2 5/8 by 1 1/8. This one 2 3/16 by, let's say 3/4. And this one here is 3 1/16 by, I'm going to say just a little over 3/8. So that's that one. Okay. So now this next piece here is from Cat Love Store. It was $3.13. It's a window flower die. So this is the die here. And these were attached. Of course, I took these off. What this does is creates a little three-dimensional element for your window here. You see that? So this piece here in the center, that cuts separate, but so you can have it or not have it. It's up to you. And or you can just use the window without the little thing there. So that is that. And I also did that on another project during my 13 weeks of Halloween. I used it on this item here, and I covered the hearts with the ghosts, and then I left one loose, and then I cut one off and angled it so it looks like it's broken, and then just added some pumpkins on there. But that is the same exact die. And again, that video was in my 13 weeks of Halloween, if you want to go watch that. So that's that die. And this piece here is a good size piece. Oops, I didn't measure that one. I am so sorry. So this piece here is 3 3/4 wide when finished by 3 1/4 high. So that's that. And without the box on there, you're going to have 2 1/2 inches high. So the window itself is 2 1/2 inches high. This piece here is 4 3/4 high by 2 7/8 wide. And that die looks like this. And it comes with these other pieces. It is from Happier Ghost Store. It's called New Lantern Design. It's $2.55. All right. Getting down there. Okay, so this next set was a 9-piece set. And it is from, lost the paper for it. Oh, that's not good. I lost the paper for it. I'll have to find it and put it in. Oh, goodness. All right. I will find that, and I'll put it in the description box. I don't know what I did with it. Well, okay. I know I have it. So I will put that in the description box, but I will show you now what it does. So it's a 9-piece edge die set. And the first one here. And they come all together, so I just kind of separated them. And that's what you get with that one. Set that aside. This one here. And as you can see, they're still in there, but they're not hard to push out. I've already did one and pushed some out. So, and you can use these as pocket toppers or whatever you want. But just to give you an idea there. And then this one again, you can see that the little pieces kind of stick in there, but again, they push right out real easy. And I didn't do them very long like a pocket because I just wanted to show you what the cut looked like. This one here, you can do it either way. So you can have this edge or you could have this edge. So you can choose with that one. All right. And a couple of them you can. This one here. Let me turn that over there and I'll lift this up. It's like that. Rip-rack type one there. This one here's another one that you can do either way. So you can have this as the top of your pocket, or you could have it going down this way, and then for your tags, you can use these for tags too, all of these to make tag elements. And this is another one that can be used in two different directions there, just like that. And then here we got this one here. Kind of embosses a little bit too. And then last but not least is one that can also be done two ways. Let me turn this over this way. You see that? They cut real nice. I didn't have any problems with them. The last two pieces I have are both Halloween. This is the die for this one. And it comes with the blood. It's a nice good size set. Comes with the dripping blood. Comes with a corner spider web and a whole spider web. And then bubbles that you can use. And then two different size bats and different kinds of spiders. So let me lift that and you can see this spider web is real fine. Cut out real nice. Punched out real nice. This is a little, I mean, you gotta be a little careful pulling those out because they are so delicate, but it wasn't bad. This was from the Leef Handcraft store, $2.39. It's a 9-piece vintage lace wavy die, it says, but no, that can't be it. Huh. That's the package I had it in. If it's different, I'll let you know. But yeah, so that's that set there. That's a nice set. Let me measure these up for you. So this is 5 1/4 inches by 1/2 inch. This one is 2 1/2 by 2 1/8. This one is 3 1/8. Looks kind of square by 3 1/4. And then your dots range in size from 1 inch down to 1/8 of an inch. The bats are, this one here is 1 3/16 wide. This one is 5/8 wide. And then you got two spiders. This one is 5/8 wide. And this one is 3/4 wide. So nice sizes there. Let me get this all up there. And then our last set of dies is from Coco Rosa Design Store, and it is web-shaped mats, I would say. So it's $3.70 for 6 pieces. And we'll just lay those out there. These are the dies, just like that. Oops. So all 6 of them. And let's go ahead and measure those up for you. So, and they are square. So the widest one is 4 1/8, and then you have 3 3/8. Just a little over 2 1/2, 2 inches, 1 3/8, and 1 inch. So that is all of them for this walk through with the samples. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, if you would, I would appreciate it. It's right down in the right hand corner. You'll see a white arrow in a red box. If you click on that, you can subscribe. If a bell pops up, if you hit the bell, you'll be notified each time I do another video. So I hope you enjoyed this, and until the next time, have a great day. Bye-bye.